Hello, friends! Are you ready to have some fun with numbers today? Let's count all the way from 1 to 100 together. I'll say the numbers and you say them right after me. Ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! That was the first 10 numbers. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome! You've counted to 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice work! Keep it up! 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You're doing fantastic! Let's keep counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great! That's 50 numbers. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60 numbers counted. You're doing amazing. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Wow, that's 70. Keep going. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Only 20 more to go. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there. Just one more group. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. You did it! You counted all the way to 100. Keep practicing and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for counting with me today. See you next time for more fun learning.